if you don't already have a Go High Level account, well, now it's the time to grab your 14-day free trial. So all you need to do is just click on the link which is down below this video, and you will come to this page. You need to click on 14-day free trial, and here just enter your company name. I'll just put mine. Just enter your name, enter your email address, enter your phone number, and then click on go to step number 2. And on this page, you can select which plan you want to go ahead with. You will get a 14-day free trial. So you can choose $97 starter plan or $297 unlimited plan. And then you need to click on the consents, the agreement, and the no subscription fee. And then you need to click on start your 14-day free trial. So once you have done that, you will end up into this agency level dashboard of Go High Level. So think of Go High Level as two systems. It has got the agency view, which is this view which you are seeing, and it has also got the sub account view, which is the client or the business view. So with the agency view, you can manage your client accounts, you can manage billing, you can manage the software as a service settings, and everything for your clients you can manage within the agency view. And with the sub account view, this is where each of your client funnels, automations, conversations, CRM, they all live inside the sub accounts. So now let's check out the dashboard of this agency view. So on the left side, you will see this button, click here to switch. So by clicking on it, you can switch between the agency account and the sub accounts. I'll be telling you how you can create a sub account later on. And after that, you have all these options. These are some promotions, the AI agents contest, summer of AI. Then they have this agency dashboard, from where you can connect your Stripe. They have this prospecting option as well, which frankly I haven't used, but you can manage it from within the sub accounts. So with this prospecting options, you can find new prospects, you can generate reports, you can contact and follow up them, and everything done within High Level. So basically, it's going to give you some customized reports, and you need to pay some additional for that. So with the High Level, there are various options, various services which you need to pay extra. But from my side, I haven't used any of their additional service. I just pay for their $297 plan. Then you have the sub accounts and here you will see all your sub accounts. And then there is something called account snapshots. Again, this, if you want to send someone the entire account information, how you set it up, you can do it from within the snapshots. You can create a snapshot, you can import snapshot, shared snapshot. So this all you can do. Then they have the reselling option. Again, you can resell this to other people, as I told you. There are various add-ons as well, which, as I said, you don't need those add-ons. I haven't utilized any of these add-on services, so you can probably skip that. Then they have the affiliate portal, the template library. So there are various templates. Again, those are paid, so you don't need them. Then the partners, university, where you can get all the necessary help, the SaaS education, GHL swag, ideas. So there are various features, like if you want additional feature to be added in High Level, you can put your idea over here. So this is the purpose of this. And then they also have an app marketplace, and you can connect different apps from here. And I have connected a couple of apps, but I'll be covering more when we reach to that stage. And then down at the bottom, you see something like settings. So this is where you can set up your profile. You can set up your company here. You can enter your details for the company. I'll hide these details for the privacy reasons. And you can enter the company address. So basic information. You can set it up your account like this by entering all these details. Then they have the team option where all your team members are going to be seen. So if you can add different team members by clicking on add user and giving them the appropriate roles and permission, whether you want to give them the agency level access or just the account level access, admin or the user. So you can connect multiple accounts like this. Then they have the billing option here. Again, it's pretty straightforward for the billing. Then you have these phone integration, email services, and then we have the email services. So here you need to connect your email SMTP provider here, or if you already have an email service, you can click on dedicated domain and IP, and you can set up your domain over here like this. So again, I'll be covering these a bit later on in future videos. So I'm just telling you right now so that you are aware about the interface of high level. And then they have these different options of system emails, workflow, AI employee, domain purchase, autocomplete address, Stripe compliance, and all these. And then from the left side, you can also switch to the sub account view. So again, the options are going to be different here. So you have this launchpad, you have dashboard, conversations, calendars, and you have contacts. So this is where you will import all your contacts and manage them from here. You have the opportunities. So opportunities and pipelines, I'll create a separate video for that. At the payments, how you can collect the payments, marketing. So here you can connect your social media accounts. You can set up campaigns, email campaigns from here. You have snippets, countdown timer, trigger links, affiliate manager, brand boards, ad manager. And then they also have the built-in automations inside it. So this is one of the best feature which I use, and you will enjoy creating these automations. They're not hard, they're simple. You just have to follow a basic logic, and you can create some amazing automations here. And then they have sites. So here you can connect or create funnels. You can create websites, stores, webinars, analytics, blogs. You can also connect WordPress sites over here. So you can set up the hosting and you can do it that way. And they have the client portal, dashboard settings, mobile app, forms. So if you need to collect the email address and other details of a customer, you can create forms right from here. You can create surveys, quizzes. They have the chat widgets, and you can also generate and create QR codes. So this is a very cool option. And then they have the membership. So here you can create your courses, you can create your communities, like this community which you are in. It is created at the high level only. And then you can also store media here. So if you've got pictures, videos, you can all store over here. Then they have the reputation. So basically it will generate a score. It will give you some information about your business. So you need to set all these things up, and then it will do. Then they have the reporting as well. So you can create reports from here, and that you can use in your business. So now let me show you how you can create a sub account. So for that, let me go back to the agency view, and then on the left side I click on sub accounts, and then on the top you click on create sub account, and you will get all these different options some built-in templates, but if you want to use them, you can use. Otherwise, you can just click on blank snapshot, and here, yeah, you can just put your location, the address, and also you can just click on add manually, and then you need to enter all these information. It's the basic information. I have first name, last name, email, business. So let's say you want to create an account for your client, so you can enter their information here and then click on sub accounts, and that is all you have to do. The sub accounts will start reflecting on this option here. And you can also access the sub accounts by clicking on sub accounts, and you have the list of your sub accounts here.